Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a pair of pliers. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Start by unplugging the Dyson HS01 from the power source to ensure safety. Once disconnected, place the unit on a stable surface, preferably a workbench, to prevent any accidents. Next, remove the outer casing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the back of the unit. There are typically 4 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the casing off, taking care not to damage any internal components. With the casing removed, you will now see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This will not only help with the installation of the new motor, but also improve the overall performance of your Dyson HS01. Now, locate the motor. It is usually secured with 2 screws at the base. Using your 10mm spanner, carefully unscrew these bolts. If you encounter any resistance, ensure that you are turning them in the correct direction and apply steady pressure. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the motor's wiring harness. This may require a bit of finesse, so use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the connector apart if it's stuck. Remember to take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you feel uncertain about any step in this process. Now, take your new motor and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it is tightly fastened to avoid any vibrations during operation. Next, reconnect the wiring harness. Make sure each wire is connected to the correct terminal as per your earlier observations. A loose connection can lead to malfunction, so double-check your work. After the motor is securely in place and the wiring is connected, it's time to reassemble the outer casing. Carefully align it with the body of the unit and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws at the back. Before you plug the unit back in, take a moment to clean any remaining dust from the exterior. A clean appliance not only looks better, but also functions more efficiently. Finally, plug the Dyson HS01 back into the power source and test the new motor. If everything is functioning correctly, you should notice a significant improvement in performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your appliance serviced without any hassle. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Congratulations on successfully replacing the motor in your Dyson HS01. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.